welcome to our educational series. My name is Jack Wynn. I am the founder and chief innovation officer here at Jack Wynn Pro. Today's educational series, Restore, our Demi-Permanent color. We're going to tell you all the do's and don'ts of Restore and how to use it. The purpose of this video is to really educate you on the tool that is Restore Demi-Permanent color. When I go to my back room to mix, I look in that cabinet and I say to myself, can I do this job with Restore? If that client is looking just for darker results, deeper, richer, shinier results, those are all great examples of when to use Restore. Why do I choose Restore over anything else? It's because it leaves the hair in such fantastic condition. It's a wonderful tool for low lighting. It's a great tool for gray blending. It's my favorite tool for doing a root shadow and really starting the color melt off right. Restore is PVD-free, ammonia-free, and it leaves the hair in great condition. It also has got 4 incredible botanical ingredients that really heal the hair. Rice protein for strength, calendula for softness, aloe to really help with scalp health, and then argan oil for a ton of shine. With Restore, you can use it creating a beautiful, dark, rich color, all the way to toning those beautiful blondes. Let's talk a little bit about activator choices, mixing, and timing with Restore. You can use Restore with either 3 volume or 10 volume. You choose 3 volume when you're looking to not have any lift and create a really sheer result. Use 10 volume when you want a lot of deposit and maybe you want to lift a half a level on that client. You can process Restore from 5 to 30 minutes. I'm only usually processing Restore for 5 minutes when I've done it on a really light lawn and I'm looking for just a slight tone. I'll process it for 30 minutes when I'm looking for maximum gray blending. And then of course you can get creative with everything in between. The ideal mixing ratio for Restore is 1 part color, 1.5 parts activator. Thanks so much for tuning into this educational series on Restore. If you have more questions, check out our product guide or go to one of our 2 Facebook groups, the Associates group where you can ask other associates for help in mixing, tips, and tricks, our Jack Wynn Pro Education Network where you can check out some beautiful images of work that's been done with Restore, or send us an email if you have more questions at info@jackwynncolor.com.